I wanted to review some of these problem types before the exam, and I've got 4 straightforward problems here for different types of business decisions based on Chapter 25. So this one, the first one, is about Mountain Run operates a ski resort. The company is planning its lift ticket pricing for the coming season. And the key thing, the thing to notice here is that the company or the investors would like to earn a 12% return on investment on the company's 11 million, billion, whatever dollars of assets. Now, you know what that means is that they want 11, lots of zeros, times 0.12. Okay, they want actually that 12% investment of an actual target profit of 13,320. 13,320,000. That's a target profit. Okay, that means profit right there. Okay, so the company incurs fixed costs to groom the runs and operate the lifts. The fixed costs are 37 million, so I've got fixed costs of 37 million. The resort serves about 680,000 skiers and snowboarders each season. Variable costs are $8 per guest, so I've got 680 times $8. 680 times $8. Variable costs are 5,440,000. Okay. So I've got fixed costs and variable costs to cover. And then what's their revenue? Currently, the resort has such a favorable reputation among skiers and snowboarders that it has some control over lift ticket prices. In other words, we are price setters. We don't have to go out and take whatever the market is charging. We can do our own. So the total costs that have to be covered here are the target profit plus the fixed costs plus the variable costs. Okay, so I'm going to add up all these costs, and what do we have? I got to do it, let's see, 13,320 plus 37 million plus 5,440. No, that's not right. 13,320. I think I could deal with the zeros. Okay. 55,760 is what I've got. 55,760. And how many skiers are we going to have? They're going to have 680,000 skiers. So I'll divide this by 680,000. That's a lot of skiers, huh? Divided by 680. Okay, that gives me a reasonable lift ticket price of $82 per ticket. Okay, that's my ticket price. Okay, now if the other resorts are charging $80 per day, we don't have to change it because there are reasons why people go to this resort. Okay, now what's important here is to notice that these are your assets. I've got $100 billion worth, $111 million worth of assets, and this is the return. This is the expected return. It's like having money in a savings account that you want to earn 12% on. Okay, same thing. So there's our investment times 12%. The target profit is 13,320,000. So then what I did, I added up the 13 million plus the 37 million plus the variable cost. This is the total cost that we have to cover. Divided by 680,000 gives me a ticket price of 82,000. Okay, do this one on your own at some point without looking at the solutions.